and all the stuff. After I brush my teeth, I go in and I water my plants. Gotta feed the babes. And then I'm off to the gym to get a 30 to 45 minute workout in. Alright you guys, what's up? How you doing? I'm back at home. The gym has sweated out all my edges. Damn! Alright, but forget all that. Oh my gosh, it's hard to ignore though. My hair's semi-tamed now. Whatever. But yeah, most of mornings, this is what I eat for breakfast after the gym. One of these Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt mix. This one's mixed berry. I usually just eat any Chobani. Of these, the one that I have before this, which is really good, is just the all blueberry one. I just add bits of, take my strawberries and I just cut off the stem part, slice them down the middle and again to get 4 pieces out of it. And as you can see, I just drop the fruit in there. And if I'm really feeling crazy with it, take some granola and crunch it up and sprinkle it over the top like a parfait, you know. Breaking off a piece of that granola bar. Yeah, but that's about it. You know, it's a great, nice, healthy, well-balanced. Ooh. Ooh.
No. No.
It's like the before taste is nasty and the aftertaste is fine. Like it hits you bad and then it's like soothes out, you know? It's like, oh god, it's not so bad. Caro. Woo. Yeah, but so my family had came into town this day, and later on I was left to babysit. Yeah, say hey. Say hey, buddy. Are you having fun?
I enjoy the flavors to a certain extent. If you have
Are you having fun spitting? Ow! He's too cute. That's my nephew Cairo, y'all. Is that you? Is that me? Is this us? Now the next day I had to prep and get ready for Mother's Day. I did this neat idea where I made them flower boxes. It came out really nice. These flower arrangements, they are fake, so they will last forever. Yeah, it's a really great idea. It's super inexpensive. If you guys want to try it out, check it out. Here's a quick little tutorial of me doing a few, and you'll get to see how they came out. It was really nice, and everybody loved their flower box.
Fish are friends, not food.
So on this day, I really wanted to do my nails. I had never done gel before. This was my first time, and to be honest, I didn't like how it came out, the paint job. I didn't prep my nails before I painted them the best, so I didn't like how they came out, but I did end up redoing them and then loving how they came out the second time around. I'll insert that clip as well. Worn makeup in so long. I literally just have on my lips and mascara. Oh, and I did my eyebrows a little bit. Well, like that is it. So yeah, right now I'm just getting ready to go out for my friend's birthday. We're going to a spa. So we're going to a spa. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting. I've never been to this place before. I've never been to a spa before. I've gotten a massage once. I'm looking forward to a nice, relaxing time. So yeah, oh look, it's Amazon outside. Definitely coming to my door. I was not wrong. My fiance gets packages here every single day. It's so funny though. I joke about it all the time. But it's real. As you can see, it's a real thing every day. It's something. It's something. Wow. Anyways, yeah, I have less than an hour to leave. I'm gonna start packing a bag. So here we are in my closet. Welcome, welcome. Yes, yes, yes. This is you guys right here. So first things first, I'm gonna pack an extra pair of clothes. It's raining today. I'm gonna take we're just gonna be taking this gray long sleeve kind of crop sweater. So I made it. Here I am. We made it. Hey, we out here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so now I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for her to get here. But it looks like everybody and their mama is here. The place looks pretty packed. So we'll see how this goes.
What you do?
Darling, you sent me. I know you sent me. Darling, you sent me. I know you sent me. Darling, you sent me. I know you.
Still on her cap, mischief manage. Okay.
Darling, send me. Darling, send me. I know. Send me. I know.
And Rose wanted
I know.
Got a new MacBook, as you can see, y'all. You know what that means, more videos on time, hopefully. And lastly, I just ended off redoing my fiance's hair. One day I'll make a full video on me doing that. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe and watch out for my next video. Love you guys.